Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer your crypto on the Crypto.com app to MEXC Global. By the way, if you haven't signed up on MEXC Global, please check the video description for the sign up link to register and get up to 1000 USDT as a beginner's reward to claim. Alright, let's get to the video. Open your Crypto.com app. To transfer crypto to an external wallet, you go to the Accounts tab. Click on Crypto Wallet. Here, you will see the list of cryptos you have. Select the crypto you want to transfer. For this video, I want to send my CRO token to my MEXC account. Here, you will see your token balance, and underneath will be the buy, sell, and transfer buttons. Tap on Transfer to withdraw your asset to an external wallet. Click Withdraw. Here you have 4 options: Crypto.com User, Crypto.com Exchange, Crypto.com DeFi Wallet, or External Wallet. Since I want to send it to my MEXC account, I will need to pick External Wallet. Under Wallet Address, you will see the list of external addresses that you have whitelisted before. In my case, I have already added my Cronos wallet address from my MEXC account. To add a new address, you just click this plus symbol on the upper right corner. Choose wallet address. And here, you select the network, paste the external deposit address, and the wallet address name. To get your external deposit address, go to your external wallet. In my case, I want to use my MEXC Global. Make sure to pick the same token. For me, it's CRO under the Cronos network. Copy your deposit address. Go back to the Crypto.com app and paste your deposit address here. And then just enter the wallet label and hit Continue. After whitelisting your external address, you should be able to see your withdrawal address listed here. Select the wallet address and click on Withdraw. Click Confirm and Withdraw. Enter the amount you want to transfer. You can also add a note if you want. Once decided, you click the Withdraw button. Here, you will see the details of your withdrawal. Verify if everything is correct, then hit Confirm. Complete security verification. Great, my CRO withdrawal requests have been submitted.
A few moments later.
After a few minutes, I receive a notification from MEXC Global that my deposit has been confirmed. I check my account balance and it's already reflecting on my account. That's how you withdraw crypto from Crypto.com app to MEXC Global. If you have questions, feel free to comment below. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. I'll see you in my next video.